guys, we're still in Washington City. This is the police department that kicked me out of the city hall while I was working on a story today. Hey, and this officer right here was there.
You're right. But that's what I thought it was.
I think he's helping this girl.
What are you doing?
What's that?
What are you doing?
Just recording him.
No, sir.
Why?
Because it's my job.
It's your job, but if it's involving just me, okay. But we have another person. That person doesn't want to.
Shut up.
Shut up. What is language is that? What language is that?
My job is to watch you. Shut up and do your job.
Shut up. Please, don't talk like that. What do you have in your pockets over there? Is it a gun?
No.
Is that a gun?
It's not a gun, you f***ing idiot.
Yeah, go back, f***ing idiot.
It's a radio. You know that, you stupid piece of shit.
Yeah, get back.
He's trying to shoot me now.
No. You're being scary.
You're recording?
Yeah, I am.
You're recording? It's a recording. This is citizen. It's a recording you.
You are making me feel scared.
Get out of here.
So I'm over here watching this Washington City police officer, and he's trying to say that there's a gun right there. It's a radio. You see it? I'm with news media. I document police activity. I'm not here to record you either.
You're being harassing.
I'm not here to bother you or record you.
You're being harassing.
My job is to record him. Dude, this place is psycho. This place is psycho.
But yeah, you're right. This is what I thought was
So, guys, I'm gonna stay here with my camera down and my hands up because he just called for backup and tried to say that I have a gun on me. Hey, can you guys turn your cameras on, please, and put them on me?
my camera on you.
Yeah, please record me, please. This guy just tried to say that I have a gun on me and called for backup, saying that I'm trying to shoot him because I'm recording him. Guys, please turn your cameras on and point them at me. You okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. What's going on?
Okay, nobody, are we okay?
Yeah, what's going on?
Well, he just tried to, don't touch me. He tried to say I have a gun on me because I'm recording
Wait,
him.
I don't know what he has.
You don't need to know what I have.
You approach me.
Hold on here. Hold on
It's
here.
legal and lawful. I don't have a gun.
Not to approach him while he's on a traffic stop.
Look, I was within reasonable distance recording him.
What reasonable distance may be okay with you may not be okay with him.
Right.
He's in control of the scene.
And he
okay?
knows I don't have a gun, and he tried to say I
don't
did so he could try to shoot me.
Okay. Regardless.
What's your name?
Hold on.
You asked me already a couple hours ago.
Hold on. I'm just talk to me for a second. Okay?
I'm scared. I'm scared. He's trying to say I got a gun on me so he can shoot me.
You keep moving.
Why can I not move? Have I done something wrong?
Okay, sir.
Have I done something illegal?
If you keep cutting me off, how are we going to have a conversation?
I don't want to have a conversation. I just want to record what he's doing and not get shot.
Okay, but if you want to understand what's going on, how are we going to get to that point if you're not going to talk?
I don't need to understand anything. I just want to record.
Actually, you do need to understand a couple of things. When you insert yourself into an investigation, you become part of the problem and not part of the solution.
I didn't insert myself. I silently recorded.
But by you coming up and getting within his space, that becomes a problem.
I wasn't in his space.
You can't deny, you can't say one way or the other whether that's good or bad. He has the right to make that call.
What's your name?
Agent Dressler.
That's Agent Dressler? What's his name? Don't come near me. Back him away from me now.
No, he's right near his car.
Back him away. Tell him to stop coming closer.
No, sir.
Just because you're recording.
He tried to say I have a gun so he could shoot
He says
me.
you might have had a weapon. I'm pretty sure your recorder will say that he,
Right.
as you approach, we don't know what you have.
He tried to say that was a weapon.
No, I didn't say that.
Sir,
the waistband.
Sir, I don't know what you have on.
It doesn't matter. This is the United States of America. We're allowed to have weapons.
Approach a guy on a car stop, okay? You just can't have that
So
kind of
anytime
stuff.
citizens record you, you're going to threaten to kill them?
You also scared.
You're going to threaten to kill anybody who records you?
You also scared the complaining over there.
It doesn't
that
matter.
lady.
The camera
You
scared
approached
her?
me
The
on
camera
back.
scared her?
I didn't
Look,
see you.
you guys are a bunch of liberal retards. This is ridiculous.
I'm not here to argue with that.
Can I?
You can step over here for me. Okay, that'll put you away from him and allow him to complete his stop. Okay, and then we can work out.
Can you take his firearm off of him?
No, there is no reason.
He's unstable.
No, sir, you're the one right
What's his
now.
name?
You're the one that approached him.
What's his name? What's your name?
I'm asking you to stand over here. That is
I need his
unlawful
name
command.
before.
Okay.
I need
You
his
will
name
more than
before I
likely
leave.
get his name. Okay. Just stand right here by your
Are you
camera.
trying to Jeff Winehouse me?
I have no idea what you're
Are you
talking
trying to
about.
Jeff Winehouse me? Am I okay to move freely without being shot?
All I'm asking you to do is give him space to finish his stop, okay?
Can I move freely? Can I use my cameras? Can I move my hands around?
You know what? As long as you keep a good distance away from this stop, yes. Okay? Because you're not detained.
What's a good distance? Can you give me an exact, precise?
Right about where you're at.
Right about? I need a precise place where
you're
I can be and
standing
thing
at
that I can
compared
do
to
without
the
getting
car.
shot.
Keep that distance compared to the car.
So I can pick up the
completely
camera and it doesn't matter if I put hands in pockets or whatever. Nobody's going to shoot me, right?
I'm going to be uncomfortable you put hands in pockets because I don't know you from anybody and you're in an area where you.
Why do you guys think this is okay?
You've been hostile.
I've been hostile. I didn't say a word. I came up and recorded
it's on
it.
your camera from the time that I made contact
Well,
with
that's
you.
because he tried to say I had a gun so he could shoot me.
Listen, you've been hostile toward me.
You bet I have. He threatened to shoot me. He tried to kill me.
I don't know what's going on in
He tried
that
to tell a
area.
lie so he could shoot me.
Okay, if you want to pull it up on your camera and show me where he said that he wanted to shoot you.
Why would he falsely claim that I have a firearm on me and reach for his gun?
Listen, you're trying to lean in beyond what's here. You claim that he said he tried to shoot you. That's what you're
By claiming that I had a gun and reaching for his firearm while approaching me.
You're inferring the situation.
If I had a gun, why would he be approaching me?
So you're inferring.
Johnny 5-0 needs to go home.
Johnny 5-0 needs to go home?
Yep.
You guys, Johnny is right. What's up, Tanner?
Just real quick, man. Management's going to come out and they're going to have you leave, okay?
Yeah,
Have a right to do
yeah.
that. So she'll be out in a second. Or
She doesn't even need to come out. I'll leave.
Okay, well, if you want to
I get it. I get what private property is.
Okay, yeah. And so
I understand.
She's on her way.
She doesn't even need to come. I'll leave.
Okay. Is it just you or is there more?
Just me.
Okay.
And I'm actually shopping here, but I'm assuming she doesn't want me shopping here now
Yeah,
too.
she's going to have you trust.
Yeah, we'll go somewhere else. I need his name though. I'll go out to public property to get it.
It's on his name bar.
I can't see it. I'll go out to public property and you can let me know what it is. Does that sound
I'll
good?
tell you right now, it's no way.
How do you spell that?
N-O-E.
N-O-E? All right.
And then I'm Tanner. This is her though, so just let her hear you out because it's private property. She's the one.
I understand. I fully understand how private property works. That's fine. That's fine.
How'd your interview with St. George go?
Yeah, I liked it. You know. So many
How are you?
guys, you keep calling the whole department for us.
Man. People keep calling you guys in because you're surrounding
Man.
cops, man.
That's not.
See you guys. Okay. Hi, I'm Stephanie.
Stephanie? Hi. Tanner. And I don't know his name, but.
Okay.
James, you want me out?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. I'll get out of here.
So I'm gonna trespass you,
Understood.
which means you're not allowed in my parking lot.
I get it. No problem.
All right.
What's
All
your
right.
last name, James?
Do I need to give it, or can I just leave the property?
Yeah, because they're
I
trespassing.
legally, lawfully have to give it. Well, I'm not unwilling to leave, so why do I need to give it?
So we
How
can
about I
talk-
just walk away right now?
Hear me out, though, okay? I'm hearing you out, right?
Right,
The
but
reason
let's go
why-
talk out there since she told me to leave. Is
I
that
have to
okay?
explain it to you.
Can I go out there? I don't want to be arrested. I don't want to
Stay
be.
here for a second.
Can I leave? Can I leave?
Just hold on, man. You're
Well,
such a rush right now. Okay?
Because you guys want to
Can I
keep
just
pressing
explain
stuff. She wants me to leave. I'm going to leave. It's her private property.
Can I
understand
explain the
that.
process? Can I explain the process? on
Yeah,
our
if I
side?
refuse to leave, then you have to do a formal written. But if she simply asks me to leave, the only reason you have to do a formal written thing is if I refuse to leave, which I am
You're
not.
not hearing my side out, though.
I
What
don't-
I
I
have
don't-
to do. What I have to do, though, on my side, okay? I have to document that you.
Why are you doing that?
Hey, over here, man.
Why are you doing that?
I'm right here.
Standing here? Because I can stand here.
And you guys are accusing me of
Okay, are you listeing?
You got to hear me out, remember?
He's trying to talk to you. Listen for a minute.
The reason why is we have to document on our side, so if you do come back, then you will be charged.
That's
for
not-
If you want to do it. That's fine.
Is the supervisor here?
That's me.
Okay, can I talk with one of you over here?
You can talk to us all right here.
Okay, can I go off the property since they've asked me to leave the property and
you
talk
can
to
leave
you?
the property.
Okay.
Sir,
Don't come back.
car right here. You guys
Sorry, I'll get out of your way. I'm sorry, man. Yeah, no problem.
All right, you have a good day. Don't come back.
What's your name?
You're trespassed.
Well, I understand how private
All right,
property
have a
works.
good day.
What's your name?
Have a good day.
Have a good day is his name. Hey, is the Mormon church controlling you guys? Or you guys do it on your own?
just keep walking, okay? Just
I am walking.
you
You want to talk to a church? Go talk to the church.
You got every cop in the entire department here.
Yeah, wasting our time with you.
You didn't need to come.
Yeah, we got called here.
You didn't have to come.
Disturbance.
You don't show up to a lot of calls you get called
We're
to.
done, so get off the property.
I'm free to speak. I'm free to speak on my way out. You guys are a bunch of tyrant thugs.
This one is straight up dangerous. The auditor is standing in public quietly recording a police officer. Legal, peaceful, no words spoken. and the officer completely loses it. He falsely claims there's a gun, starts escalating, and radios it in like the auditor is armed, knowing damn well he isn't. That's not a mistake. That's a setup. Backup floods the scene. Guns, hands on holsters, the kind of lie that gets people killed. The auditor does the only smart thing. Camera on himself, hands visible, staying still, because moving wrong in that moment could have been fatal. Even after it's clear, there's no weapon, no apology, no accountability, just excuses, deflection, and a department circling the wagons to protect their own. This wasn't about safety, it wasn't about the law. It was about retaliation for being recorded, and how fast a badge can turn a camera into a death sentence.
Gentlemen, once the court feels entitled to record, I inform them that we don't allow recording in the post office. He says he doesn't want to comply. And so I asked him to leave, he won't leave. So I called you guys.
Sir, good morning, how are you?
Good morning, sir.
My name is Officer Queen, Annapolis City Police Department, okay?
Okay.
I just want to inform you that we are being recorded right now, right?
Okay, your body cam is on?
I'm sorry?
Your body cam is on?
It is.
Okay, great.
Gentlemen, here is an employee of the Post Office. This is a federal building. You cannot record in the federal building.
Okay, Officer McQueen,
Yeah.
I want to show you something, and maybe you too, supervisors. What was your name again?
Justin.
Justin. So I'm going to bring you over here,
Okay.
and I'm going to show you these. This is the rules and regulations governing the conduct on postal property.
Okay.
If you read right here, photographs for news purposes may be taken and commercial purpose may be taken in entries, lobbies, foyers. So
You just said photographs?
Photographs, video. It's all
Does it say photographs and video or just photographs?
Photographs and video are the same thing, officer.
Photographs and video is two different things.
Same
One is a
thing.
photo, one is a video.
I'm telling you, I am a journalist.
Okay.
I'm working on a story on
Okay.
this post office.
Okay.
So not only does the rules and regulations
Okay.
allow me to be here,
Okay.
but the First Amendment of the Constitution, freedom of press, allows me to be here and record. This is a public building.
Actually, if you want to do what you're talking about, you actually have to get permission from the
Unfortunately, Justin, that's not true. I'm sorry to tell you it's
press do
not
you work
true. I'm an independent.
Okay, so you have any type of identification on you?
No, I don't need any identification.
How do I know you work for the press?
No, well, everybody has the freedom of press, sir.
Oh, but you said you work for the press. You are the press.
I am the
Said.
press.
Okay.
Yes, I am the press,
So you
and
just read to me that just
I'm a
photograph.
journalist. I'm a journalist working on a story on the post office.
Okay.
If you prevent that in any way, you will be violating my civil rights. You'll be
Okay.
violating my rights to film. I can film in a public lobby.
So does that say photographs or video?
This grants me the permission to take videos in the lobby. So
Does that say photographs or video?
maybe you should talk to the postmaster. Maybe he's a supervisor, and I get that. But maybe you should talk to the postmaster because the postmaster will be more knowledgeable on the subject.
Okay.
Before
But
you do,
you just wanted to read something to me, but you said it was just photographs.
yeah, this is photographing.
That's not a photograph.
Yes,
That's
it's the same.
video.
It's the same thing,
So
officer.
photograph and video is the same exact thing?
It's the same thing. I have freedom of the press. I'm allowed to be here and record in the lobbies. The rules say it, and much more than the rules. And by the way, this is federal law. It's just not some poster. This is federal law.
Okay.
He informed me that I'm breaking federal law filming, which I know not to be the case. And on top of that, I have freedom of press. I can record in public buildings. This is a public building.
Okay.
I know you said it's a federal building,
Okay.
but federal means public. It's the same thing.
Okay. Would you be able to carry firearms in this building too?
I don't know. So I don't have a firearm, so I don't know.
Oh, okay. Do you have any ID on you?
I'm not going to give you any ID, officer.
Oh, okay.
I haven't broken any laws. Can I get your names and badge numbers, please?
What are you doing?
I'll explain it. Can I get your names and badge numbers, please?
Sergeant Hernandez, 3648.
Okay. And your name and badge number, please?
Medicine 5044.
Thank you. So I'm basically exercising my First Amendment right to film in public. That's it.
Okay, well, you're on federal property.
Yeah, I understand
So,
that.
On federal property, you have to have permission.
Not true.
Sir, it is true.
I can show you the rules and regulations governing the post office, which is federal law. If you'd like, you can read that.
What your reason is for
I'm
videoing?
a journalist working on a story. I have a First Amendment right to film in public. This is public.
Stand by.
Wait, well, this is. How am I being? Wait, first.
The problem is you creep everybody out.
Wait.
And you start videotaping people.
Whoa, let's slow down here.
I'm not. Your First Amendment right.
Okay, so
you and everybody else tells us that every day.
So wait.
Like, you creep people out. Like,
okay,
so
can I tell you? Can I tell you why I'm here? I already told you. I've already told you guys why I'm here. I already told you. There's no need for you guys to be here. There's none. I told you. I'm a journalist working on a story. I just told you that.
Saying that you're a journalist?
Ma'am, unfortunately, you do not need identification. No, you do not. You do not need identification identifying yourself as a journalist. You do not.
Do you have identification?
The First Amendment grants me.
Are you going to show me where that says that?
It's the First Amendment of the Constitution, ma'am.
That says that you don't
freedom of
have
press.
ID?
No, it says that I have freedom of press.
Usually journalists carry ID to identify themselves as journalists so that we don't run into this problem.
Why would I need to ID myself to you,
Because you're
man?
on private property.
No, I am not.
You're on federal property.
Outside there.
Well, hold on.
You are on federal
I
property.
don't like you guys behind me. Hold on, I don't like you guys. You guys obviously have nothing to do. This is not private property. This is public property. This is public property.
This is not public
1,
property.
2, 3, 4, 5 officers for a man with a camera. And I just told you that. It's the rules. That's federal law, by the way.
Be taken with only permission of the local postmaster.
Yeah, other photographs. Other. You missed the other on there. I know it very well. Can I get your name and badge number? I didn't get it. Can I get it, please?
Yeah.
What is it?
Absolutely.
What is it?
I'm giving it to you.
Oh, okay. You're gonna give me a card.
Dude,
Thank you.
what is your hostility, man?
I don't have a hostility.
Are you
Sir,
trying to prove something?
I don't have a hostility. That's a mischaracterization of me.
Listen to me, man.
You've been barking at me since you got here.
You start videotaping people. It starts creeping people out, man.
I'm not videotaping anybody in
Everyone
particular.
hides behind the First Amendment because it's the First Amendment. You can do whatever you want. I'll say whatever you want on video camera. I have no problem. I'm a photographer as well. I've got my master's in photography. You just start going into people's public businesses and you start like this.
So
like this,
okay.
this
Listen, that was uncalled for.
Come on, man.
He got that on his body camera.
I can hear the accent. I'm from New York.
He's got his body camera.
He's got a lot better, man.
What do you mean, man? Come on, man. So exercising my rights is a problem.
No, doing this in front of people and not telling them what they're doing is creeping people out, man.
You don't know what you're talking about.
Maybe
you have listen. Why don't you?
Say, excuse me, sir.
Why don't you understand? Why don't you? Listen, I hear you talking.
You'll see.
I hear you talking, but I don't hear you listening. I don't hear you listening.
Look, hide behind the First Amendment.
Great. I will. It protects me. It protects me from people like you. Yes, I will. Thank you. Come on, man. You know I wasn't being difficult with you when you got here.
Extremely difficult.
Really?
Yes.
I'm being difficult?
You're pointing something out that says photographs. It has nothing to do with video.
Man, come on.
Now all of a sudden you say you know what you're talking about. You have no documentation on you. I have no idea. How do I know you work for the press? So I just walk around.
I'm telling you.
Say, okay, I work for the press. Where's your ID? Okay.
You don't need it.
I'm gonna walk around and tell you I'm a police officer, but I'm not showing you any credentials.
That's different. You need to show me that.
It's always different.
You need to show me that. You need to show me proof you're a police officer. You do. That's your job. My job, I don't have to show you anything. Unfortunately, that's the way it works. If you don't like the way it works, take it up with your local congressman. Have them change the Constitution.
You should take things up.
I don't need to. I'm within my rights to be here and film.
Okay.
You guys are wasting taxpayer dollars. You guys should be gone by now. You guys should just leave.
You live here in the city?
You guys should just leave.
Do you live here in the city?
I'm not going to answer your question.
So if you don't live here in the city, we're not wasting your money then, right? So who cares about it, right?
You get federal grants?
Is it your money?
Do you get federal grants?
Do you pay the federal grants?
Do I pay federal taxes?
I have no idea. You won't get ID. I have no idea if you're employed. I have no idea who you are. I have no idea about anything.
Right? I don't even want to talk to you anymore, man.
Okay, then don't talk to me.
Because you're being difficult.
Okay.
You're being difficult. I don't even want to talk to you.
It's
just a back and forth.
You're sticking a camera in front of my face.
I mean, I'm filming you, yeah, because I don't know what you're gonna do.
You're sitting here having a conversation with me.
Okay, great. Did I ever come up to any one of you and start filming?
The reason why I'm being vocal is because there's a lot of this going around these days.
Yeah.
And it's unfortunately creeping the hell out of people that people just walk around just doing this, and what they want is they want to be agitated. They want to push agendas on.
Let's hear this guy's speech.
I want to
make sure you're doing your job. Yeah.
He wants us to make sure that we take that camera because he's probably looking for a lawsuit.
Yeah.
How do you know that?
He wants us to do something. I know that. He wants,
you know?
He's looking for it.
Oh, okay.
We're not gonna
just like you knew that the federal law was against, right?
Yeah.
How's that working out for you?
Well, let's see how long you're gonna be here.
All right, we'll see. Longer than you. Guarantee you that.
I don't think so.
All righty. Okay, great. Filming the building is creepy, huh? I didn't film not one person. You don't know what you're talking about. You have no idea. You just came in here and started escalating. I wasn't filming people individually.
Sir, you were asked numerous times.
I was not filming you individually, ma'am. I was not filming either one of you individually until you decided to talk to me.
Play it back.
Yeah, until you talked to me.
Play it back.
Federal law, right?
Play it back.
Oh man, I'm not gonna entertain it anymore.
You can't even tell me your name, man. Like, what's your name? Like,
What do
I
you
gave
mean?
you my name, my number, my badge number.
Unfortunately,
Come on,
listen,
unfortunately
that's your
what?
job. You took a job where you had to do that, right? Come on. You took a job where you have to do that. I didn't take that job. I took a job where I don't have to give my name, right? Come on. You have to give your name.
bro.
You didn't give me your card
another
because you didn't give me your card because you wanted to. You have to.
It's right here.
Because you have to.
No,
You have to have your name here. Yes, you
Technically, we
do.
don't have to give you a card. We have to identify ourselves.
Exactly.
We
Exactly.
took the extra step and give you a card. I could be like, nope, get a
Okay.
piece of paper and get a pen out, and I'll provide you with my information.
All right, guys. I don't even want to fight with you guys anymore. It's just it's not productive to the overall. It's not
I'll be
productive.
here all day long.
Yeah, we're getting paid all day.
I'll be here all day.
Yeah, me too.
You wait until 3 of my friends watch this video. You wait. Okay, 3 of your friends watch this video.
Yeah, 3 of my friends. I know.
Or acquaintance. I would probably say acquaintances. I don't know about friends.
Okay. Okay. It's not professional what you're doing, man.
Okay.
Stay professional.
Okay.
Don't even if I was here.
We just
Listen.
went over this.
Even
Now
if I
you're
was
talking
here.
about feelings.
No, but listen. Even if I was here.
Now this is unprofessional. My feelings are. Come on.
I'm not. Did I say my feelings are hurt? It's your job to be
why are you
professional.
complaining?
No, it's your job
At
to
what
be
point-
professional. That's your job. Do you understand the difference between my job and your job? Your job is to be professional, protect, and serve.
Oh, really?
That's your job.
Is it
Yes.
really?
That's why you get paid.
So we can't have a dialogue back and forth, and so
No, a respectful dialogue.
So
I'd be open to a respectful dialogue.
Okay,
Yeah.
I'm asking you questions.
So this dialogue hasn't been respectful,
He's being very sarcastic and very
as
childish.
well you are. So
How am I being sarcastic? I'm
you
not.
haven't been sarcastic once this whole time.
He's being very childish. I'm just trying to have an open conversation. That's all I'm trying to do. Your job is to be professional.
You give me an answer.
You guys don't like your job.
Our
If you
job's
guys
always to be professional.
if you guys don't like your job, go get a different
But
one.
what? Sometimes you can't. Sometimes you can't handle it coming back at you. Come
No,
on,
I don't.
bro.
I don't care. I mean, you say stuff and then just walk away. You say stuff and you just walk
Yeah,
away.
I mean, he's doing a documentary for YouTube,
How you doing?
and he's filming everybody as they come in, filming the walls, the ceilings.
Very beautiful. Sir, mask. Your name and what position you hold?
Postal Inspector Owens.
Postal Inspector Owens? Okay. Yeah, no, I was just filming the lobby, and they told me inside that it's against federal law. And I told them that it wasn't, and I referred them to Postal 7. I've talked to your offices before, and I'm sure you're well aware of what it is I'm doing here and stuff like that, so I don't have a problem. There's nothing.
Okay. You just know as long as you're doing it, you can't record
Behind the counter.
behind the counter.
Correct.
Customer transactions.
Correct,
stuff
sir.
like that.
I know that. Or restricted areas. I know that.
Yep.
But everywhere else I can film.
Right, yeah.
Great.
Public space is accessible and
Yeah.
everything, so yeah.
Yeah. So we're good?
Yeah.
Okay.
As long as you know the
There you go,
rules.
McQueen.
How's you?
I told you were going to learn today. You wanted to learn. You told me. And I told you somebody's going to come and help you. Thank you.
Yeah.
Ma'am, did he educate you on the rules in the post office?
You can stand by for just 1 minute, and we'll let you
What does stand by mean? Is that a detainment? Ma'am, am I detained?
So,
Ma'am, am I detained?
Hold on, Long Island Audit. Give me
She
one
said-
second. Give me one
she-
second. Do me a favor. Give me 1 second.
Yeah, but she said I stand by.
She said stand by. That means that.
Oh, stand by me.
trying
Like,
to
hold
make-
on a second.
Oh, I thought it could have been detained.
No, that does not mean detained.
I didn't
You
know.
said so. You stand by means just wait here for 1 minute. I'm trying to get more information. Then we'll come answer any questions. That's
Cool.
all that means.
Postal Inspector Owens, why are we making a big deal about public photography? Like, what's the grand emergency here? Like, what's the? I don't see like the urgency here. On,
What do
you know,
by urgency?
meaning like, he already told you I can do it, right?
I heard him say that. Yeah.
Yes. Okay. So why are we all still here? Why can't you guys just go? Everybody has an enjoy your day, McQueen, and everybody goes on their way. Why is the sergeant trying to like push? I feel like she's trying to make a big deal out of nothing.
No, I think it's the other way around. But what I'm trying to say is that I think they are trying to look for any kind of updated documentation that there may be. You asked me to ask him about that paragraph in there
Yeah.
for questioning. She asked them about that same paragraph, and I think they're trying to explain or provide us with documentation on that paragraph so we know next time on how we can handle the situation better.
Okay, cool. Hi, how are you?
I'm good. I am Postal Inspector Ed Schultz. I'll show you my credentials.
Security personnel. I know.
No, I'm law enforcement.
Law enforcement of the Postal. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Sure.
First, I want to tell you I find your Yankee hat very, very offensive because I'm a Red Sox fan.
Oh.
Terrible.
There goes the bias.
Second, I understand. You tell me what you're doing here.
So what I'm doing is I'm filming the post office, and I'm gathering content for a story. Not once have I went up to the counter. Not once have I filmed any type of financial transactions or any sensitive information or entered a restricted area. I'm simply gathering information from the outside as well as the inside of the post office for news purposes.
For news purposes?
Yeah.
What kind of news purposes?
I'm
are
a
you
journalist.
Reporter?
Yeah,
I'm a journalist.
You're a journalist. I'm a journalist, correct.
Okay. Do you represent a paper? Or
I'm an independent journalist.
You're an independent
journalist, correct,
okay.
sir.
Lots of people like that nowadays.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hey, it's a way to make a living.
Heck yeah, it is. Okay, so basically you just told me everything that I was going to tell you. You're okay to be in here. Okay, First Amendment right, you're absolutely correct. What you have to do is you have to stay out of the way, like if a customer, the line for the customers backs up, you can't block it, you can't impede anything, you certainly can't go up to the counter and film the...
Sir, what was your name again?
Schultz.
Schultz, Inspector Schultz.
Inspector Schultz.
Inspector Schultz. Obviously, I know what I'm doing. I understand you're trying to tell me what to do, but I know I know what I'm doing.
I'm just going. It's good. I know you do.
Okay, just so you know, I already know.
No,
I'll let you say it though.
I get you.
That's fine. You can say whatever you want. Okay, I know.
I just I want you to make sure that you hear me say it.
Okay, great.
Yeah, just as you said before,
Yeah.
you weren't filming those transactions.
Nope.
Don't. Okay. If you want to stay in this common area and kind of quietly disappear into the framework and do all your filming.
Yeah. That's what I was doing. Thank
Okay?
you. Thank you so much. Appreciate you coming down here. I've never had an inspector come down and clear this up. So I appreciate both of you guys. What was your name again?
Inspector Owens.
Inspector Owens, yeah. I appreciate you guys coming down here. So you got better things to do, but I appreciate it, and I appreciate you letting local law enforcement know what I'm doing here is completely legal.
Absolutely.
And stay safe and enjoy your day.
You too.
Thank
Okay.
you.
Bye.
This video is a perfect example of cops and government employees not knowing the law, then panicking when someone does. A journalist walks into a public post office calmly filming the lobby. No disruption, no restricted areas, and immediately employees and cops start lying, claiming it's federal law that filming is illegal and demanding ID that the law does not require. They threaten police, they call supervisors, they try intimidation, all over a camera. But then reality shows up. A postal inspector arrives, actual federal law enforcement, and shuts it all down. He confirms what we already knew. Filming in the post office lobby for news purposes is 100% legal. No crime. No ID required. No authority to stop it. This wasn't about safety. It wasn't about the law. It was about ego, ignorance, and fear of being recorded, until the truth forced a quiet walk of shame.
This is a bank.
Okay.
And we respectfully ask, there's customers in there doing their business.
Okay.
You cannot record them to know that they are doing transactions in their bank. They don't feel comfortable. So I don't know what the recording is all about.
Okay.
But you're going to have to move from this window because they're doing their banking.
I was measuring. Look, let me show you what I was looking
already
at.
got your pictures. So
I didn't get all my pictures yet.
Okay. Sir, I'm respectfully asking you to move along. Hopefully you got the pictures that you need to get.
I didn't.
But while my customers are at the ATM and in the bank, they do not feel comfortable with you taking pictures of them doing their banking.
Okay.
So if you want to come back when we close at 1, you can take the whole building.
Well, I wasn't going to be long. I was only going to be here until 1.
Right now, you cannot film them. They don't feel comfortable with people knowing where they bank and having their images on your camera.
Well, I mean, I can't help people. If she don't feel comfortable, if she told me to move, do I got to move?
Call 911. Okay.
Why would you call now? Why would you do that?
We're respectfully asking you to come back and get all the pictures you want.
But why
not
call?
While they're doing, because you don't seem to
But why
wanna,
call 911? I'm not breaking no law. What is 911 going to do?
No,
They're not going to do nothing. They're just going to tell you. They're just going to tell you that I got the right to be here and take pictures.
You guys taking pictures of me. Look, there's a camera right there that you guys taking pictures of me. 911 not gonna do anything. Now what if they come out here and kill me as a black man? It's gonna be on your hands. If they come put their knee on my neck, what's gonna happen?
Yeah. But
See, you calling the police and I'm not breaking no law. That's crazy. And you're a black woman.
Foot on his neck. Okay. No problem. All right.
Let's hope they don't hurt me out here, ma'am. Because it's going to be on you. Remember that. As a black lady. How you doing, sir? Name, badge number?
Officer D. Smith, badge
30?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir.
How you doing, sir?
I'm good. Name and badge number?
Officer Smith, East Orange Police Department.
Both of y'all Arthur the Smith? Y'all
Yeah.
brothers or something?
No.
So,
Oh, okay. You got your body cam on?
Yeah.
You got your body cam on?
My
Cool.
question to you is, what's going on today with you?
I was walking by. This is what I was doing. Let me show you. Look, come over here. I was walking by. I started counting these stones here, right? Once I started counting them, she came out and interrupted me. She said she was calling 911, so I stuck around and waited for you guys.
For counting day stones?
Man, I count stones, I count lights, I count bricks, I count
Well,
sewers, I count
this-
street lights, I count everything.
Do you have any identification?
ID for what?
Identification for this incident?
Listen,
ID for what?
legally, at the end of the day, you can record. All right?
Exactly. Thank you, sir.
But their issue is, however your camera was facing, somebody was doing something like this. All right? So listen.
They got to put curtains up. It's not on me to protect their privacy. You see, look, you see how they got curtains here? That's what they need. They need blinds or curtains.
So the issue with that is, right, you can record anywhere but certain private properties and situations where the information can be seen.
But look where I'm standing.
Yeah, you're not.
No. Listen, you're not.
I told them I had no intentions of going in or...
You're affecting their business.
You're
You
not
understand what I'm saying?
You're not in the wrong for recording. But if your camera's facing information and they're putting private information that they're not giving you any access to, you can't do it. They don't have to put curtains in. So if you're recording,
If they want privacy. Let me ask you a question. Since you want to ask me for ID.
Yeah, I still need that.
ID for what?
Because I have to know I'm speaking, okay?
You can put down a good person.
Yeah, I can't do that. I have to know exactly what I'm speaking.
All right, well, call your sergeant out here.
I will.
Thank you.
Yeah, they're coming out here too.
Cool.
So
I'm out here
just letting
exercising. Listen, I'm letting you know I'm exercising my rights out here to record in public on the public sidewalk. The only time you can ask me for ID and demand
I never
ID.
said that you couldn't.
The only time this man can ask me for let your partner
But
know.
when it becomes you harassing other people,
Let
and
your
you
partner
getting
know
their-
before he calls the city a lawsuit. Please let your partner know.
Sir, I'm just advising you of the law.
I'm advising you my rights. Let them know. Call your sergeant out here. Get it out here before you make a mistake, man. We don't want you to make a mistake. Am I being detained right now? Oh, okay. I'm just walking around. I ain't going nowhere. I'm standing.
But like I said before,
I have the right to record. This is a public sidewalk. If I'm walking by, I want to take pictures.
what did I say when I came?
Yeah, but he demanded ID and...
I'm talking to you. What did I say when we came?
Yeah, you wasn't respectable. I respect you. I respect
Whatever you
you.
want to look at, you can record. But when it comes to privacy, just for future, you can't. Even if you look like that, it can become another issue because that person.
But
says,
it's
and look at you recording.
I can record anywhere my eyes can see. I can record. That's what you don't understand. Anywhere I can see, I can record. If I see somebody naked down there, I can record them from the public sidewalk. If I see, I can record. I can stand right here and record.
So yes, I'm saying, if you put in your number and somebody walks up and you start looking like that, right? It'll be an issue, correct? If you didn't want,
but it's gonna be an issue on me. It'll be an issue on them.
Yes.
And they coming in hot. That's the sergeant, lieutenant. That's him.
Other things going on, man.
That's why when you pulled up right here and you seen me recording, you should have been like, listen, this man ain't doing nothing wrong. He's standing on a public sidewalk, minding his business.
I mean, you do have an open container of beer.
Open container of what? How you know this beer?
I said you do have an open container.
It's an open, some people, she got an open container too. Look, it's an open container she got. You gonna arrest her too?
I never said anything about
You want her ID? You want her, she got an open container. Plenty of people got open containers out here. I'm pretty sure you had an open container today. You too. You had an open container today, right? You had an open container of drink. Everybody drink. It's not illegal to have an open container. Oh man, it's crazy, man. It's 2025.
What's crazy?
It's 2000. Where can you go in 2025 without being recorded? There's cameras everywhere, and this what killed me. This what kills me. She complained about me standing out here with a camera, but guess what she did? She called more guys with cameras. I mean, look, she got a camera. She recording me.
That's not her issue. We explained to you her issue.
She said recording. I was recording all over.
Transactions, bank transactions.
I was recording all over East Orange, man. East Orange, they just started building the new East. They just started building because she said she was calling the police, so I didn't want to run and y'all look for me.
You was like right here with the camera facing right there.
I never was right there. I never was in this white. I got it all on camera, so we could. I do. I got it all on film. But you asking me for ID?
Yeah, no, I said I need ID because
for what though? You don't look. Did I break any laws? Did I commit any crimes? So you cannot ask me for ID, sir.
I gotta know who I'm talking to, man.
I told you, put me down as a good person in New Jersey.
Nothing. I just gotta know who I'm talking to.
Okay, I could tell you any.
You know me, Officer Z. Smith. A good guy? That's not a name on the birth certificate.
Yeah, man, it's crazy, man. And it's a black lady called the cops on me.
Why you don't count that building bricks?
I was counting all. I was all over. I went down there by the Ramada.
So, I wanted to know more of the story on their part.
On what part?
So with them, like, this is what I'm saying. You can do whatever. You can record if some. I think your scenario was if you see a woman walking naked and you want to record, that's what
Supreme Court already ruled that we have the right to record whatever we see in public.
Not when it invades privacy.
It's on them to protect their privacy. That's why you got to get the sergeant out here, man. Hopefully the sergeant knows.
So this is what I'm saying. If you walking up and you see somebody, what they're saying is if somebody was over there at the ATM.
But they have cameras themselves.
Hold on. I'm just talking to you. What they're saying is somebody was at the ATM, you're walking over and you're recording them.
I never was on their property.
Listen, I don't have access to the cameras, but I'm listening to their statements. All right? Well, I mean,
that's what they're.
But here's my thing: if you want to show me it,
I'm doing this. Look, public sidewalk. I could do this.
No, absolutely.
I could do this all day. That's what she complained. Her desk right here. That's what she was complaining about.
Because that's information that they have.
Look, she got a curtain. Pull it down. Just pull a curtain. She get it. She get a desk.
I'm saying like this. They're saying is if they have information from somebody and you're going like that, it's a violation of privacy.
It's not. It's not.
Privacy is
whatever I can see, I can film.
But then we came down.
You can't trespass my eyes. So what's the, okay, so what are you going to charge me with? If you want to charge, what are you going to charge me with?
I'm just talking to you.
So what's the problem then? Cause you asking me for ID. You don't get ID, bruh. If I don't break no law. How long you been an officer?
Come on now. I'll ask you for your name, your identification.
How long you been an officer though?
That's all I'm asking.
Yeah, but you demanding it. You demanding it though. You demanding it. You can't demand ID. You already said I didn't break no crime. I didn't break no law. You already said I didn't commit a crime.
I heard the lieutenant came. If you want to talk to the lieutenant, I already heard your story.
All right.
Their story.
All right.
Ain't much talking after that.
All right. Well, let's hope the lieutenant don't cost East Orange money, and it's gonna be my taxpayers' money. It's sad to say, and you're gonna be named on it too. And sadly, you was a good guy, but you're gonna be named on it too because you showed up.
I was a good guy.
You asking me for ID though. You don't ask nobody for. So what do you mean ID? This is America, man. This ain't. Oh man, y'all called the right guy. How you doing, sir? What's your name, badge number?
Lieutenant Sharif L6.
All right.
That's right there, the window's up. And they're saying that he went up to the window with the camera and it was facing while somebody was putting in, writing down their documents. And then information department.
Alright, so understand, nobody cares about you recording. When people doing their individual personal business, they don't want you recording the individual because that's going to end up, well not, it's going to end up doing anything. They don't feel comfortable with that. As far as the person themselves, we ain't stop you from recording the bank, do whatever you want with that. But people on the ATM, they write their personal information, we have to go somewhere else with that, alright?
Alright, but listen, Officer Sharif, Lieutenant Sharif, remember I met you over there at the
Yeah, you recorded the car before.
Listen, could you please explain to your officer that he cannot ask for ID and demand for ID for no reason?
It's not necessarily no reason.
He come up demanding ID with no crime.
It's the fact that we had to come here on a call and speak to you. And
it's okay to come.
Hold on. It's just the document that we came into contact with you and we spoke to you.
Yeah.
It's not anything, you don't run your record or anything
but
like that.
You can't just demand ID though,
just
man.
so that you don't come back later on saying that you were
you might see me later. I'll be all over.
No. You ain't listening to me further explain.
Oh, okay.
It's so that you don't go make a complaint, I should say, saying that you were unnecessarily stopped and spoken to by the officer, whatever the case may be, and we document that we spoke to you for a reason. So
Okay.
that's all that was about right there.
All right.
Are we going to throw you on a car and lock you up for not presenting your ID in this particular matter? No. But we would like to document everything and see what we can, and not see, but...
Yeah, but without a crime,
saying that we spoke to you, that's all.
I get that. I told him he could put me down as good guy in New Jersey.
Yeah, we can't put that in the report.
There you go.
All right? Other than that,
we cool, man. You cool, man. You cool. You learned something today. You learned something today, though. You just can't offer ID. And this guy right here been the good guy. I appreciate you, man. I appreciate you, man. You gonna get bigged up on YouTube, all right? They're gonna love you on YouTube. I don't know what they're gonna say about this guy here, but hey, you might have to. That's gonna be a crime on them, man. Hey, you here to protect me, remember that. Remember you guys here to protect me, you hear me?
This one starts on a public sidewalk in New Jersey. A citizen peacefully recording a bank from a place he has every right to be. But that's all it takes. A bank employee panics, claims privacy, threatens to call 911, not because of a crime, but because someone had a camera. And let's be real, calling police on a black man for standing on a sidewalk with a phone is never harmless. Cops show up confused. One officer admits the truth right away. Recording in public is legal. Another pushes harder, demanding ID for no crime, no detention, no lawful reason. The classic playbook: confuse the law, protect feelings instead of rights, turn cameras into a problem. In the end, no charges, no arrest, no law broken. Just another reminder: the Constitution doesn't stop at a bank window, and rights don't disappear because someone feels uncomfortable.